Is Form 15G mandatory for PF withdrawal after 5 years? It is one of the most commonly asked questions by the EPF members when they are applying for the PF claim. Actually, you don't need to submit Form 15G after 5 years of service because after 5 years, EPF withdrawal will become tax-free. In general, if your PF balance is 50,000 rupees or above, Form 15G is required. But if the service is greater than 5 years, Form 15G is not required. For example, if an EPF member has 1 lakh rupees in his PF account and his service is above 5 years, should he submit Form 15G or not? The answer is no. He doesn't need to submit Form 15G because his service is above 5 years. How to know whether you are eligible to submit Form 15G or not? First, check how much balance is in your PF account. For that, open your PF passbook website and check for the employee and employer share. If it is above 50,000 rupees, then calculate your service. For example, once you log into your EPF passbook portal website, click on passbook and here you can see employee contribution plus employer contribution. When these two amounts together is above 50,000 rupees, here the amount is more than 50,000 rupees. Here employee contribution is 52,000 rupees and employer contribution is 16,000 rupees. It is almost 68,000 rupees or 69,000 rupees. As it is above 50,000 rupees, this person needs to submit Form 15G. But if his service is above 5 years, he doesn't need to submit it. Here you can see if your service is above 5 years, you don't need to submit Form 15G. If the service is below 5 years, then you have to submit Form 15G. How to know your service? For that, log into UN member portal website and click on view. Under view, you can see an option called service history. When you click on service history, this page will open. Here you can see your service history. This employee has worked from 2019 to 2025 and the total service is above 5 years. So even though this employee has more than 50,000 rupees in his PF account, he doesn't need to submit Form 15G because his total service is above 5 years. So just follow these 3 steps. First, check how much PF balance is in your PF passbook. And if the amount is above 50,000 rupees, then check your service history. If it is above 5 years, don't submit Form 15G. If it is below 5 years, submit Form 15G. And the simple way to remember is if your service is above 5 years, irrespective of how much money is in your EPF account, you don't need to submit Form 15G while withdrawing your PF amount. Just remember this.